Ladies and gents, hope you're well. So today we're going to look at differential equations. Differential equations using SymPy. Okay, cool. Right, so on a side note, I'd really appreciate it if you guys actually do subscribe to my channel. So if you do like what you see, please do subscribe, share the video with your friends. And yeah, cool. So let's get started. So from SymPy, import, and then star, initial printing, pretty print is equal to true. Okay, right. X as a symbol, so symbols. And then Y equals symbols again. Right, so this is a bit different because this is defining a class. So class equals function. Right, okay, cool. So what I need to do now is I need to solve these differential equations. Okay, so I've got a video with that's been done with Maple on YouTube as well, so you can have a look at that as well. So yeah, so equation one, so equation, that's U, then EQ, so 2 times yx dot div x minus yx, and that's equal to 4 times sine 3 times x. Okay, so that's the equation there. Call it out, then dissolve it, dissolve equation, and yx is the function. Voila, so there we are. So that's the same, apart from the variable. I'm using x here, we're using t, but it's the same answer. Okay, cool. And then solving the next one, right? So that'll be equation 1 equal to EQ, right? And then that'll be, so div, actually no. So yx dot div x is equal to yx squared. So equation 1, I can call it out, and then dissolve it with the initial condition. Y at 0 is 1. So dissolve, okay, that's equation 1. Then ICS equal to then a curly bracket, then Y at 0 is 1. Close the curly bracket. Voila, so that's the same. So there's a T here, there's an X, but it's just the same. Okay, cool. And then the next one, so that'll be equation 2. So that's EQ, right? And that'll be that. Come on, copy, paste that, plus yx, and that's sine x. So equation 2, okay, and then I need to dissolve that. So dissolve equation 2 with yx as variable. Sorry, my function, sorry, not variable, function. Okay, cool. So there we are, it's the same. And then equation 3 equals EQ, all right, and then all of these, I'll just copy that. Command copy, paste that, change that to 3, plus, okay, 2 times yx. That's equal to cos 2 times x. So then equation 3, okay, then dissolve it. So EQ3. Okay, cool. So that's the same as that. It's just the same. Okay. And then what I need to do now is I need to solve the last one. Okay. So that'll be equation 4 equals EQ, right? And then yeah, just make sure that I'm doing things right. Okay, just bear with me one sec. Right. So I'll copy that. So minus yx. Okay, so 4 times sine 3 times x. So equation 4. Then to solve equation 4 is, and then the function yx. Right. So there we are. So yeah. So that's the same as that. Okay. So instead of the t, I'm using an x. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it was just a quick vid using SymPy to solve differential equations. I'll crack on. I'll do some more videos as well with more complicated stuff. Okay. So thank you guys for watching. So thanks for watching. Okay, and have a good one. Cheers. Bye bye.